Okay, we're in the laundry, but we're not here to talk about the laundry floor. We're talking about, so far there's 1, 2, 3, 4 electric service panels. I'm going to call this number 3, even though earlier, but you're going to see in the next video. In the next video, I'm going to say that was the 3rd electric service panel, because at the time I believe that. So when you get to the air conditioning system, the indoor air handler part, and we're going to be talking about that. But right now we're talking about this. All right, see, this is called double lugging. 1 wire, 1 breaker. Double lugging. It's been screwed into place with sheetrock screws. It's supposed to be nailed. Not supposed to have more than 1/8 of an inch difference. Okay. Got conductors entering the cabinet through an open knockout hole. There's nothing to keep those wires from scratching on the edge of that and causing a short. Then bundling, double lugging, gap, open knockouts. This is the only panel that has labeling. Only the labeling is not specific and it's not supposed to be handwritten. It's supposed to be printed. So where it says danger right there, that's printing. So where it says Eaton right there, that's printing. That's handwriting. The labels are not supposed to be handwritten. I didn't make that rule up. At least you got some labeling of some sort. So we will learn double lugging, bundling, gaps, screws. Oh, you see all these wires right here? These are ground wires. A buddy of mine's dad used to call those puny little things, because they are. They're way undersized. This house is not grounded properly. This house is not properly grounded. And you can double lug grounds, even though you shouldn't double lug neutrals, which you saw in the video before this. You shouldn't double lug hots, which you saw in the video before this. But you can double lug grounds, but you can't quadruple ground them. 3 max. And 3 is bad practice. Should be 2 max in my opinion, but 3 max.